is a bowling ball. And this is a cake.
Let's go, Desmond. Let's go. Let's go. All right.
Tonight at 11, artificial intelligence ChatGPT sweeps the nation. Did it write this news headline? You'll never know. Then, a local wannabe YouTuber runs out of ideas after less than 20 episodes. What is next for this social media sensation? Plus, flat earthers organize protests but are overshadowed by a lunar eclipse. All that, plus the weather and sports with Herb Hurt.
ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. Okay. Write me a script for a YouTube show about making cocktails. Hi, and welcome to Cocktail Hour with Derek. In this show, I'll be sharing some of my favorite cocktail recipes and giving you tips on how to make the perfect drink at home. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist or just starting out, I hope you find something here that you'll enjoy. Let's get started. Segment 1, the classic old-fashioned. In this first segment, we're going to make a classic old-fashioned. This timeless cocktail has been around since the 1800s and is a perfect example of how a few simple ingredients can come together to create a truly delicious drink. The ingredients for this one are 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 sugar cube, 2 dashes of bitters, and an orange peel. We'll start by soaking the sugar cube in the bitters. We're gonna add 2 ounces of bourbon, and stir until the sugar is dissolved. We're gonna fill the glass with ice. And we're gonna stir until it is well chilled. Garnish with an orange twist. And enjoy. Segment 2, the Refreshing Gin Fizz. In this segment, we're going to make a gin fizz. This light and refreshing cocktail is perfect for the summer and is easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. Ingredients: 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, club soda. Instructions: add the gin, lemon juice, and simple syrup to a shaker filled with ice. Shake well. Strain into a glass with ice. Top with club soda. Give it a gentle stir. Garnish with a lemon slice. And enjoy. Segment 3, the Sophisticated Martini. In this final segment, we're going to make a martini. This elegant cocktail has been enjoyed by everyone from James Bond to Mad Men's Don Draper. And it's the perfect choice for a special occasion. Ingredients: 2 ounces gin, 1 ounce dry vermouth, olive or lemon twist for garnish. Add the gin and vermouth to a shaker filled with ice. Stir until well chilled strain into a martini glass. And garnish with a lemon twist. Enjoy. That's it for this episode of Cocktail Hour with Derek. I hope you enjoyed these cocktail recipes and that you'll give them a try at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cocktails, ideas, and tips. Cheers.
Come with me if you want to live.